Good day, everyone. My name is Nico Snyman, and I'm the CEO and founder of Crest Advisory Africa. I want to speak to you today about ISO Management System Toolkits. This is a very important process in the accreditation process, and we as an international expert company will assist you with this. The table of contents is firstly, I will be introducing you to Crest Advisory Africa. Secondly, I will be introducing you to just a snapshot of myself, why management system toolkits, and then endorsements. And if we are getting questions, I will address questions then as well. Who is Crest Advisory Africa? Crest Advisory Africa has been established by Nico Snyman, the founder and CEO of CAA, in June of 2014. This means that we are at the moment about 6 years old, and we have grown tremendously over the last 6 years. We are specializing in corporate governance, and you can see there the whole list of corporate governance that we are working with. And we are certified in 17 international standards that we are presenting from the training level to certification level. We are a platinum partner or platinum member of the Professional Evaluation Certification Board. This means that we are out of the 1,844 members of the PECB, there's only 29 that has got the platinum status, and we were number 23 in that process. So if you're looking at that, this is now better. Okay. If we're looking at our offerings, Crest is providing international training. We are conducting advisory services. We are also conducting audits. We are working with products, and some of the products that we are working with is specifically our toolkits. Then we are looking at technology. Our technology, as you will see on the slide, on Isolytics, you've got a fantastic technology that is working with all these management systems. We've got executive incubation, we've got events, and then our flagship is actually international certification. If you're looking at the background of myself, not that I'm very important, but just to give you a kind of validity of what we have done, why we are doing this. So my background is I served in the South African Police Services for about 25 years, holding the rank of a brigadier, a fairly senior rank in the policing services. And then I was also a senior procurement manager for a big metal and steel company for about 2 years. And then I was appointed as on an executive level, serving one of the biggest projects between the years 2007 and 2011, called the Gautrain, and I was working there for the construction phase as well as for the operating phase there. And then in 2014 I started with my own company. So why international? Why ISO Management Toolkits? We've been working with a lot of companies. As you can see there, about 9,000 companies over the last 6 or 7 years. So what we have seen is that companies struggle to implement management systems. Management systems is actually seen as it's a very difficult system to be implementing, and we have looked at why are people looking at this as being so difficult. Firstly, people need to go and create what the standard is actually implying or explicitly saying that you need to comply with. And we have gone and looked at every requirement and built toolkits that make your speed of implementation much faster, as well as that you've got the right things, that you don't have fatigue of people struggling with the management system when you don't need that. We are optimizing the small and medium-sized companies, so the speed of implementation for small and medium-sized companies that is very cost-effective is very important. So cost savings, we are saving cost for any company for about 80% less than using consultants. As a consultant myself and as an auditor, I know that the biggest time that you are actually spending is actually in change management. So change management around this whole environment is critical. And if you've got all the documentation already, that you don't have to worry about the contents of a document or how to get a document from A to Z, then you can concentrate your time so much more on change management. As subject matter experts, I am in this environment for the last 35 years. So as a subject matter expert across 17 disciplines, we are giving you unlimited email support, and all our documents are created by Crest Advisory Africa, and we are one of the global leading independent ISO certifiers globally. So how do we do it? Firstly, CAA provide you with a pre-compiled documentation set per standard. So whether we are talking about a quality management system, an environmental management system, a security operations management system, occupational health and safety management system, we are providing you with a pre-compiled documentation set for everything that needs to be done within a standard. We combine your own company's knowledge with our ISO knowledge to create the perfect hybrid system that you can actually drive the performance of your system into a space where you can be audited and you can be certified. And we as Crest provide the perfect support system for you with our subject matter experts. Per system, it is just an email apart, and we can either Zoom or we can have WhatsApp calls across the world. You must just have Wi-Fi. We are implementing across the globe, so that is not a problem for us. What did we do for you? We have structured the process that you are totally empowered to implement without any further support. But we are here for you until the ISO audit. We can even assist you in a pre-audit. We provided you with a master list of documents. Now that master list of documents is critically important for you to actually understand that what you need to have to be done in each clause, in each stage, in each rollout process. And we can even support you with the industry specific documents. If you're working in a mining environment, whether you are working in the banking environment, whether you're working in any kind of environment, we have got exposure to that. And all our documents are 80% complete. The 20%, this is a Pareto principle, 80% of the work has been done for you. The critical work is that you need to take this document and take it on board, and you need to make it your own. And so the only things that you need to do is to bring in your own context of your own organization into these documents. So how can we help you? We are providing you with a one-on-one subject matter expert to assist you in the implementation. We have a number of articles, videos, and Zoom webinars to assist you, and we will invite you to that, so there's continuous learning taking place. It is not a once-off dump of documentation. It is actually a continuous process that we are assisting you with. And if needed, we will review your final documents as part of a pre-audit. So this is our client relationship that we are building for you and with you. We are not letting you go alone. We are making sure that everything that we are doing is actually there for you to make sure that you are equipped and that everything is going well with the implementation of the management system. So what is the benefits of the Crest Advisory Africa Toolkits? Firstly, specific document templates. We are providing you with all the mandatory documents that is needed to implement an ISO. Plus, we are providing you with a commonly used or non-mandatory documents as well. So we are going beyond the ISO certification toolkit, and we are actually saying to you that we are providing you with everything that you need, as well as we are growing on a daily basis. So everything that is going to be out there, we will incorporate as we are going along. Secondly, access to webinar library addressing every section. We have got a webinar process that we are addressing each and every session that we've got, where people has been interacting with us. You will be invited to these sessions to have clarity on it. And if you want to have the recordings of it, we can send it to you, just like what we are doing here. Unlimited email support. That is critical, because everything that you are doing actually out of your own perspective, using our documentation, and we want to make sure that you are successful in this process. So a subject matter expert will review your document as well, and we will make sure that those documentation are actually good and that it will pass the asset test for an audit. And we will provide you with 1 hour live one-on-one online consultation via Zoom or any kind of conferencing system that you are using. And any new templates, documents, and updates required by the standard or that we are coming across will be given to you for a duration of 12 months after procuring this toolkit. I just want to complete by saying that why are we putting out all of these things out, and what gives you the validity about this? Firstly, our membership and endorsements. If you're looking at our membership and endorsements, we are endorsed. I want to actually concentrate on this one here, the PECB, the Professional Evaluation Certification Board. You can see that we are with other services as well, the Institute of Risk Managers, the Institute of Supply Management, and then various numbers of Chamber of Commerce that we are working across our geography. And then I want to ask you, if there's any questions, please make sure that you are using our contact details. Here's our contact details, and please send us emails, send us log onto our website. I will be in communication with you, and we will make sure that all of these things are actually growing you as a business, and we hope that everything is going well with you. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.